On this episode of What's in the Box, I'm doing a much needed safety upgrade here for the CVO. As you can see, these bags are not protected. Now, I don't intend on dropping this. I will lay my life on a line before I drop this. But it can happen. I mean, we've all been there. Whatever it is. I mean, for whatever reason, this could tip over. And I'm not scratching my bags. Especially, this is not an easy paint, this steel blue, to match. So I'm SOL if this happens. So, I need to put some bag guards on. And what did I get? Did I get the cheapy ones from Amazon? No. Did I get Harley ones? No. I got it from a company called Vindikta. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right, but let's check it out after the intro. Okay, came in a box. I already went through some of it. Okay. It's all nicely wrapped up. And I happen to have unwrapped one already. Okay, let's see if we can check this out now. What I love about this is, I mean, this is really well made. It's a heavy bar though. So, I love the angle. I love the thickness of it. It's a quality piece. It's going to be badass on that bike. And if you haven't noticed, it matches my Suicide Shopper. Kind of. Pretty damn close. Same angles. Not the same as my crash bar, but at least from here back, it's going to kind of blend. See? Hopefully. So let's put it on. Okay, since the CVO doesn't come with the proper bag guard bar, I don't even know how to even say it. Basically, it comes with this. This is the standard rail for your bags. What I needed to order was this, open-ended. So I had to get this from Amazon. I got it's like $70 from Amazon. So I had to order that to make this whole thing work. No instructions, so I'm gonna wing it. And let's see how it goes. Now, being there's no instructions, I would assume it goes like this. So plug in here, this matches up there, and this goes under the seat. So that's the way I'm assuming it goes. There's not many other ways it can go, so let's take it apart and see if we can do it. Torque's 45. Oh, this sun is killer. Torque's 45. Take this off. Just dropped something I shouldn't have dropped. Alright, looks like a 15 will work. Okay, I'm not taking this fender off. No goddamn way. I'd rather drop my bags and take this fender off. So in order to get this to work, I can't get a ratchet in here for my Torx bit. I put the Torx bit in, I put a pair of vice grips on it, and I'm going to take it off from the back side. So let's see if that works. If it doesn't work, I'm done. I'm not doing it. This requires a Torx 40 on the second nut. Why? I don't know. Probably just to piss me off. Requires a 1/2 inch. Slide this back in. I'll line it up there. All right, I gotta put it back in the opposite way this time, I think, because I can't get to those stupid bolts. All right, so I'm going the opposite way because I can't get to this bolt on the other side. I think it makes a difference. So hand tighten these. I'm going to tighten them up right now. I did this from the opposite side because I couldn't get to it before. I'm going to do the same thing on that side. So let's finish this up. All right, zip, zip, it is done. All right, zip, zip, it is done. Okay, we have it there. I gotta attach it here and here. All right, that's tight. This is tight. It's done. That's how you do it. I'm gonna do the other side. Put the bags on. I'll show you what it looks like when it's done. And that'll be it for today. All done. Second side is so much faster than the first side. I didn't know what I was doing, which is most of the time. It's pretty simple though. Once you get the hang of it, it's easy. If you've done one half, you can do the other half in 10 minutes. Had some problems because it was uncharted territory. Anyway, it's installed, looks good. Check it out. It's kind of dark in here though. It's the only problem. You really can't see. But it looks pretty good. I'll show you again. I'll have to do it again in light. But sheet shines up pretty good too. The seat shines up. See that? 10 times faster. Alright, you really can't see it in the dark. I'll finish this video tomorrow. Alright, close the door. Let's see if the lighting's better. Tell you what, that seat shines up nice. Okay, so here we go. Yeah, you can see it now. Complements that perfectly. All right, that's about it. I like it. Let's take it outside, see what it looks like tomorrow. Okay, it's all installed. The second side is so much easier than the first side once you figure out how to do it. Instructions would have been nice, but it's pretty easy. I already mentioned what size sockets you need. You got to figure things out, kind of twist them around. But I'm going to show you one final look at it outside before it rains. Hit the like and subscribe. I do appreciate that. Hopefully this helps somebody. I'll put a link to the actual bars and the supports that you need if you don't already have them on your bike. I really like these. I think they look badass. Hopefully you will too. So check it out one last time.